Welcome back everyone to our 22nd episode of ABAP on Cloud Development on our SAP BTP platform. So in our earlier episode, we discussed about our implicit type conversion. We saw their benefits and we saw the cons of using the type conversion and why it is not recommended. We saw the resetting variables, how we can use clear statement for the removing the content and setting it to initial type that it was declared. This is going to be our 21st one. So in this one, we are going to discuss our next thing. So arithmetic calculations, arithmetic calculation in ABAP on Cloud. Arithmetic calculations in ABAP on Cloud. Arithmetic calculations in ABAP on Cloud. So what is the job of a calculation or expression here? So arithmetic expressions are ABAP expressions with a combination of values, operators and functions that the runtime system processes to calculate a result. Processes to calculate a result. That is what my arithmetic expressions are all about. A combination of values, operators, and function that the runtime system processes to calculate the result. Also, for the arithmetic operations, the result type, the type of the variable that you are going to get as a result. So the result type depends on the type of the operands used as input to the expression. As a input to the expression. That's what it is all about. So we can do so many of the arithmetic expression here. Let's find it out. I'll go to our environment, and in our earlier operation we saw the type conversion. Let's remove it, and we are going to focus on arithmetic operations. Okay, so say I'm creating a so suppose I'm creating here a data types, and let's make it type result, which is of type packed decimal. Here I'm giving here say length 8 up to 2 decimal format. Say I'm giving this one a type. I have declared a local predefined type by user. Using this I will create a variable. So my data keyword result type this t result. I'm using this one. Now let's go and check what is going to happen. I'm going to first say result is equal to 2 plus 2, and I'm printing this result out here. Addition here I'm doing. Let's say I'm going to do a subtraction, then I'll do the multiplication, division. I will also use the square root function here. So my subtraction, multiplication, and I'm giving here division, or say 2 by 3 I'm giving for better view, and here 3. Here say I'm going for a square root of 2. So sqrt function in the ABAP on cloud environment can be used for finding out the square root of any object or any integral value basically. I will calculate the power as well. So one more time. Here say result is equal to my power, where base is equal to 2 and expression is equal to 3. Let's see this. Base value I'm giving 2, expression I'm giving here 3. Okay, let's activate and let's understand it one by one. So I'll go for run as my console and let's see their output. 2 plus 2 equal to 4. We have given a decimal here, so 4.0 it is saying. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. We are getting here as minus 1. 2 into 2. So this is my multiply operator. I'm getting 4. 2 by 3, we are getting 0.67 because up to 2 decimal we have allowed here. But if I change it to 3, things will be different then. I'll activate it. Then I'm going for clearing the console out here, and I'll go for run as my ABAP application. And then you see this. 2 plus 2 is 4, minus 1. 4 here, 0.667. So it is the square root of 2, 1.414. Same you are getting here. Correct? 2 to the power 3, 8. It will calculate 8. Correct? Right. But if I write a complex kind of operation here, a little bit bigger operation, so will it follow the BODMAS rule of mathematics or not? Say I'm giving 2 into 3 minus 2, and I'm doing division by 1 plus 1. What it is going to do? Think about it. So I will activate. I'll clear this console here, and I will go for my run as ABAP application, and you go and check. It is showing 2. So according to BODMAS rule, first the brackets will be calculated, after that division, and then you are going to see multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So multiplication, 2 3 is 6, 6 minus 2 will be 4. So numerator will become 4, and here 2. So 4 by 2 is 2. Exact BODMAS rule it is also following here. Correct? So all kind of arithmetic operation we can do here using ABAP on cloud. This is for calculating power. This is for our square root operation. You might need it somewhere, you can use it. Okay. So that is about our arithmetic episode. Thank you very much for watching. If you have liked the video, please do subscribe our channel and share your feedback in the comment section. And I will see you in the next episode. So till then, keep learning. Bye bye.